Hello everyone, today I will introduce you some difference between our mechanical Gabion machine and the CNC Gabion machine. CNC Gabion machine, we use servo motor control. This one you see is control the mesh pulling. This two servo motor is control gear moving and the mesh twisting. The advantages of servo motor transmission are as follows. The speed will be higher, which means the output will be increased around 30% than mechanical type. Since the mesh pulling and twisting are by servo motor control, that makes the finished mesh will be more accuracy. High flexibility in mesh change. You can set the 3 twists or 5 twists by the program. And while you use it, you can change it very easily, which means by this single machine, you can make 3 twists or 5 twists. And the mesh grid size, it can be double. Low failure rate of this machine. This machine with automatic lubrication system by this motor. Simple maintenance and upkeep. In addition, this machine has made some improvements. The wire outline angle of the half gear is larger, which means if you make PVC wire with old half gear, it will be broken after 5 twists. But with our new design, it's no problem. If you're interested in our machine, please contact us for more details.